Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift. Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
So this is the first route that leads you to Luanda market, the Luanda area, Luanda region. A very amazing town for those connecting to the western sides of the country. So this is the route coming all the way from Kisumu as you head to Busia. That is Rembo Shuttle for Nairobians, watu wa Kitengela. You can see we have Rembo Shuttle in Luanda operating all the way. Okay, being festivities, you'll find most town service vehicles, they decide to operate along this route.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
So welcome to Luanda. Probably the biggest market that existed back then in the years in the western region. And you know, this could have cropped up due to agriculture and the coming of the railway. And this is the area where most drivers, trailer drivers, relax during the evening or at night. So you'll find this town very cool at night, not a very busy town. So for those people of Luanda, you know, they say Luanda is the capital city of. There is that vegetable. I know people from Luanda will tell us what the vegetable is called. So this is the first route to access Luanda market, and this is the entrance to the market. Good viewers, you can see that is for those who can see, there is a stalled train, though it's not stalled, but it's testing the rail line that is still under construction. And this here, I think this is the industry, the land that the former minister for trade, is it industrial and trade, that is Honorable Moses Kuria, came to launch this land. So we are going to have industrial park somewhere here around Luanda. So the second route to access Luanda market is for those people who are coming from Siaya, Akala, Bondo. This is the route. So those people connecting from the areas I have mentioned, this is the route they use, and will happen to cross the railway line, which is coming from all the way from the coastal region, passes through Nairobi, and you can see this is the railway crossing, and it heads all the way to Butere. I think one of our friends, that is Dolphin 254, did an amazing video. Yeah, you can see that is the proposed construction of the industrial park. So you are right. So as I was saying, Dolphin 254 did an amazing video for the railway station at Butere. So you can watch her video, you can go subscribe to her channel, watch through her videos, and you can also note that specific video for Butere railway station. And we believe the SGR will be built or will be constructed up to this side, heading all the way to Uganda. There are unique names this side. Some of them are hard to pronounce, but I believe those people who are coming from these sides, you can help us in the pronunciation. And those people who from the diaspora and would wish to invest, there are several areas around where you can purchase land, do farming, or you can come up with unique ideas to ensure you can change the dynamics of this place. From the stories or from the interactions I have had with several people along this side, I'm told we have many or several of our Indian friends and our brothers from the central part of Kenya. They have landed in this area and they are doing an amazing job. They have invested in agriculture, in hardware business, and even our friends and brothers from Somali have come this side and they are doing amazing job opening up supermarkets. So those people who are from this side, why are you sleeping? It's your time. make sure you invest in your area and also invest outside. And those people who are in diaspora, who are coming from this side, make sure you come, make sure you do your investments in this area, and everything shall be amazing. So now this is the road that is connecting from our third one. So let us just move and show you our third connection. And now this is our third entrance to Luanda Market. For those people who are coming all the way from Busia, I think this is called Muluhoro Police Post. So as I was saying, for those people who are coming from Busia area, Bumala, Uganda, Mumias, even Bungoma, you can even still connect from Bungoma. So this is the third entry to Luanda Market. You can see the green canopy, the amazing road. This is so wonderful. When you're using this route, you are welcomed by the amazing trees forming a nice canopy along the road. Just watch this. What do you say? What do you say? Should Kenya come and demolish the trees to expand the road, or they should just leave this area as it is? Our viewers, what do you say? I think this is a very wonderful welcome. So that means the people who are coming from Busia always enjoy wonderful sceneries and wonderful views while they are moving maybe to the Luanda Market, or once they are en route to Kisumu, to Nairobi, and to such areas. So this is Luanda, and Luanda is a good place, a good market with superb dynamism. We have petrol stations, we have shops, we have now today being on Thursday, Luanda Market is always busy on Mondays and Thursdays. So if you need to get a good bargain, good product, be sure to visit Luanda Market on a Thursday or on a Monday. And I think that is now the route, our second route that is coming from Siaya side. For those people coming from Siaya, Akala, Bondo and such areas, now you come join this route that is coming from the Busia area, and you head all the way to the Luanda Market. This is Rainbow Shuttle, the one that flies the route from Nairobi CBD to Kitengela. So being festivities, I think this route becomes the Nairobi to Busia route becomes very busy. Most of the buses that sustain the bookings are always full. So they decide now to attain temporary, we call them TLBs, to be able to operate to such areas like Busia, to Mumias, Bungoma and such, even Kisumu and Luanda. So Luanda can serve as a wonderful connection point and town. So you can see how busy it is. The traffic is, I don't know if it's building up. So people, we were planning to do a coverage of the Luanda Market, but I'm not sure if we'll manage. If we manage, you'll see it in our next episode. But we just needed to showcase the roads connecting to Luanda Market, and maybe one of these fine days we'll describe to you the products you can access from Luanda Market if you come. You can always get a good bargain for the products. If you need a whole cow, there is a market for cows. If you need, we call them daga or omena, you can come this side. And yes, you can always just come to enjoy these markets. And this is the main stage. So the market is on the other side. This is the main stage where you can board vehicles to Nairobi, to other places. So thank you for watching this video up to this far. Make sure you like it, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once you upload a new video. Thank you and see you in our next video.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.